The Samsung Galaxy A56 is an eagerly anticipated mid-range smartphone that has been making waves recently. Thanks to a new certification listing, we now have a clearer picture of what this device might bring to the table. But before we get into that, let me introduce you to an amazing tool that can make your life so much easier, especially if you're upgrading to a new iPhone or Android phone and need to transfer all your data without any hassle. Say hello to Wondershare Dr.Fone. This all-in-one solution is designed to handle all your smartphone needs with ease. Alright, so let's say you've just got yourself a brand new phone, but now comes the tricky part, transferring all your data from your old phone to the new one. Sounds like a hassle, right? Well, not anymore. Just download the Wondershare Dr.Fone app using the link in my description. Once you've got it, connect both your old and new phones to your computer. Then simply click on Phone Transfer in the app. Select the data you want to transfer, whether it's photos, videos, contacts, or anything else. Hit Start Transferring and boom, that's it. It's really that simple. And the best part? It works for iPhone to iPhone, iPhone to Android, or even Android to iPhone. Whatever combination you've got. The process is super smooth, and honestly, it'll save you from the headache of figuring out how to move everything manually. So check it out and make data transfer a breeze. One of the standout revelations from the certification listing is the confirmation of the Galaxy A56 of battery capacity. The device will feature a robust 4,905 mAh battery. This increase should result in significantly longer battery life, which is always a welcome improvement. Although the certification listing confirms only the battery capacity, various leaks and rumors provide insights into what the Galaxy A56 might offer. Here's a quick summary. 5G connectivity. The Galaxy A56 is rumored to be among Samsung's first mid-range smartphones to support 5G, delivering ultra-fast download and upload speeds. GPS support. Location services will be powered by GPS integration. Dual SIM capability. The phone is expected to support dual SIM cards, enabling simultaneous use. Android 15. Launching with the latest Android 15, users will benefit from the newest features and security enhancements. The Galaxy A56 is anticipated to hit the market in just over a month. While these are the confirmed and rumored specifications, there's always room for Samsung to unveil additional features. These could include an enhanced camera setup, a faster processor, or a sleeker, more premium design. Only the official announcement will reveal the complete picture. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.